Flamingo chef, show us what you got with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet spot.
Hey guys, Bill, the Kansas Flamingo chef. Welcome back to my bar. It is Masters Week. I mean, it's my favorite week of the year. I love the Masters. If you're a golf crazy person like me, you probably love it too. There are traditions that go along with the Masters, and to me, it really isn't Masters Week unless you do the traditions. You gotta have the egg salad sandwich. You gotta have the pimento cheese sandwich. You gotta play at least one round of golf. I've already done that, and I'm playing a par 3 tournament tomorrow. But then you also have to make an Azalea. It's the official cocktail of the Masters. It's really simple to make. I made one last year, gonna do it again so that everybody can see how I make one. You need vodka. It honestly doesn't matter what kind. If you want to use that the cheap swill stuff off the bottom shelf, knock yourself out. I just happen to like Belvedere. You need pineapple juice. Again, use any kind of pineapple juice you want. I prefer whole pineapple juice like this, like you get at the health food store. You need a lemon, and we're going to juice it. And then last but not least, you need grenadine. Now, the one I did last year, I used store-bought grenadine, which I absolutely hate, but it's mainly because I didn't have any decent grenadine behind the bar. This I made yesterday. Extremely easy to make. If you want me to show you how to do it, comment on the video or send me an email, bill@kansasflamingochef.com. I'm happy to show you how. It's really, really easy. All right, so this is a simple drink to make. And we're going to do it like this. We're going to get a shaker. We're going to start with 2 ounces of vodka. Now again, use any kind of vodka you want. I just happen to like Belvedere. On top of that, we're going to add 2 ounces of pineapple juice. This is a brand new one, so that nice pop. Now, it's called an azalea for a couple of reasons. Number one, if you're not familiar with the grounds at Augusta National, they grow azaleas everywhere. It's a beautiful flower. And it has a certain color. And that's what the grenadine is for, is to give it the color. Into this, we're going to need about 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. So that works out to just about 3/4 of a lemon. In this case. Hi. I got one of my kitty cats watching me. Okay, now it's lemon juice. And then last but not least, just to give it that spark of azalea color, just a squeeze of grenadine. We're going to shake this up. Check our color profile. Yeah, needs a little more pink. So we'll add a little more. The idea is to get that nice color of the azaleas without tremendously changing the flavor. Let's see what that looks like. That's pretty close. We'll give it just a hint more because I want a little more color for the video. All right, we're going to strain this over fresh ice. And there it is. It's really a nice, light, refreshing cocktail. If you're on the course at Augusta, they sell them in these really big, pretty plastic cups that are see-through, and see people walking around drinking them all day long. Enjoy the Masters. If there's something you'd like me to make, got a question, a comment, right here on the video, comment or send me an email. Until next time, eat and drink fabulous. Enjoy the Masters, and tell me your favorite Masters moment. Have a great day. Makes watching even better.
heart of Kansas, under sky so clear, lives a chef with a flair, bringing folks some cheer. With a pinch of love and a dash of zest, he's the Kansas Flamingo, and his meals are the best.